Your credit report is your financial voice. Make it heard. An error is not a minor typo. It can cost money, opportunities, and access. Higher loan rates, expensive credit card interest, even a denied mortgage can follow. Employers and landlords check credit reports. Errors can block jobs and apartments. Many try to fix mistakes and get ignored, left powerless and frustrated. This guide builds authority, facts, documentation, and a composed strategy. Credit bureaus and creditors must listen. Federal law requires accuracy. Your goal: present a case so clear and well supported, they must investigate and correct. Done right, you protect your score, save money, and unlock the products you deserve. Approach this calmly and methodically, and go from ignored to respected. When you spot an error, your first choice is online dispute or a written letter. Online portals are fast and convenient. You select the item, choose a reason, upload a file, and submit in minutes. You get a case number to track progress. But speed has limits. Little room to explain, forced categories, and file caps. Nuance gets lost if your issue is mixed identity, not ownership. Important evidence can be blocked by technical limits. Some portals limit rights, including your ability to sue. Read terms carefully. Automated systems scan for keywords. Complex stories get misunderstood. Online is fine for simple fixes. A misspelling or a closed account marked open. For serious, complex, or ignored errors, send a written dispute. Written disputes give you space, control, and a complete evidence packet. Certified mail creates a legal paper trail that starts the investigation clock. A certified letter feels different, opened, read, and processed by a person. It elevates your dispute from a routine ticket to a formal communication. It signals you are organized, determined, and aware of your rights. No tiny boxes or forced drop-downs. You can fully explain the error. Lay out facts, cite laws, and guide the reviewer through evidence step by step. Attach as many pages as needed so nothing gets lost. Send via certified mail with return receipt to prove mailing and delivery dates. Bureaus generally have 30 days to investigate after receipt. If they fail to respond or dismiss without cause, your paper trail is leverage. It strengthens escalation to the CFPB, or legal counsel if needed. A written certified dispute shows seriousness and is hard to ignore. The FCRA gives you the right to an accurate credit report. Use it. Your tone is as important as your facts. Be firm and professional, not angry or dramatic. Threats, insults, and emotional pleas hurt credibility and slow resolution. A compliance employee reviews your letter. Make their job easy. Rude. Get this off my report now. Better. Under the FCRA, please remove this inaccurate item. State facts directly. I am disputing this account because it does not belong to me. Please see the attached bank statement showing payment posted on June 5, 2025. Respectful, specific, evidence-based language earns timely responses. Root your letter in facts, not feelings. The more specific you are, the faster they can verify and fix. When you file a dispute, you start a legal process with a defined timeline. After receipt, the Bureau generally has 30 days to investigate and report results. Certified mail starts the clock and proves delivery. Keep your receipts. If you submit extra info midstream, they may get up to 45 days. Typically, day 0 mail or submit, day 7 to 10 furnisher notified, by day 30 investigation completed. They must mail results within 5 business days of finishing, deleted, corrected, or unchanged. If changed, you get a free updated credit report to verify. If unchanged, they must explain and offer a 100-word consumer statement option. No response by 30 to 45 days? It's time to follow up, using your records to escalate. In disputes, the best proof wins. Your statement is a start. Evidence seals it. For late payments, show posted payments. For paid in full, show letters and zero balances. For identity theft, include a police report and FTC identity theft affidavit. Never send originals. Make high-quality copies or clear scans. Ensure the entire page is visible. Letterhead, dates, account numbers. Mark highlights on copies only, not originals. Include ID and proof of address to prevent delays and protect against fraud. Put your dispute letter first. It's the guide to your entire packet. List attachments clearly: bank statement, creditor letter, driver's license copy. Don't write "See attached." Specify where the proof lives, page and line. Attachment A, June 2025. Line 12 shows a cleared $250 payment on June 5, 2025. Label each copy and staple multi-page exhibits. Assemble in logical order matching your letter. Make it effortless to verify. If 30 days pass without results, send a follow-up letter. Reference the original dispute, tracking number, and the confirmed delivery date. State they missed the FCRA deadline and request an immediate update. If they refuse to correct, file a complaint with the CFPB and upload your evidence. Also, dispute directly with the furnisher to speed corrections. For high-stakes harm and stubborn errors, seek a consumer law attorney. A two-pronged escalation often reaches a higher-level team and resolves the issue. Pull your credit reports and review every line carefully. Identify inaccuracies and gather supporting records. Write a clear, respectful letter that points to specific proof. Mail your packet via certified mail with return receipt. Track the 30-day timeline and be ready to follow up. Escalate to the CFPB and dispute with the furnisher if needed. This is your financial story. Take control of the narrative. Demand the accuracy you're entitled to under the law and get the fair report you deserve.